Wow. Hey, it's been a while. I look like shit. So, can you guess what this thing is? I believe you're all culturally advanced enough. It's a PS4, and I'm going to be opening it up. Not taking it apart. I'm going to be opening it. But I would like to take a moment to show you something that I worked on before I do this. Trust me, it's worth it. I took apart a whole fucking plasma TV. Now, this took like 3 hours, but like, holy shit. So this is the back plate. This motherfucker had like over 100 screws. All that. Disconnected large part from there, lower down. This is the LED screen display. All for all that. Holy shit. I tried to clean off the dust as best as I could because shit was dusty. Very, very dusty. But, I thought I'd divert a second to show you that. Since this was hard work and I really wish I could have recorded it, but honestly I was all stuck up in my own work. There's gold in that. Fun fact. Alright, back to it. So the inspiration today, since I decided, well, might as well, I got a new toolkit. And it can open the safety screw pins on it. And, oh my god, look at this fucking beauty. Yeah, it's straight new. This is completely new, straight off the box. I just gotta figure out how the fuck to use it. Am I that uncultured? Hold on. I think I gotta use this, right? Oh. It's gonna be me struggling for a moment, on how this works. Like, you could just take it out, but like, does it like, can you, what the fuck? What? Oh. That is not what I'm trying to do here. That is that's like a fucking, like for these, I forgot the name. I forget. Are you shiggling shitting me here? Come on. Do I like pull this? Whatever. I was looking for it. Oh fuck, wrong lyric. But heaven knows I'm miserable. Oh, kill me. I was looking for a job and then I found a job. And heaven knows I'm miserable now. I cannot sing. Alright. Thought that'd be cool. You like press the back, it'd like the pew. Some stupid shit. Here, let me move this a little closer. Let me double check it's still recording. Because, like, I haven't charged this fucker in a while, but hey, it's resilient. Okay. How do you work? How? I'm tripping. Fuck. I feel like I gotta do this thing. Oh, it is. I think. What the fuck? This is awful. Come on. Here we go. I guess the longest part of this video isn't even taking this thing apart. It's going to be me trying to figure out how to get the drill bit out. I'm such a caveman. This is too advanced for me. Motherfucker. Come on. I want to say it's something to do with this. Like, pull... Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? It was that fucking simple! Oh my god! Oh, jeez, that's awful. Okay. So now how do I get the drill bit out? Do I manually pull this thing out? Because I can't. Let me try to, like, use some cloth. There we go. Ta-da! I didn't even need to fucking do that. Where does this go? Where does this go? Wow, there's so many unique fucking pieces in here. This is cool. This has no place to go, so I'll put this thing right there, right next to the camera. So, let's find the size for this concoction. So, for the safety pins on this old feller, seem quite small. So let's see if I can find the right size, real quick. So let's go the smallest I can get. Like this. Voila. And let's see. Fuck. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine. Heart. I love Mitsuki. I think I said that wrong, but yeah. I think I found it. Let's see if this tiddlywink is the right thing to use. So let's move my camera here. I don't know if you're gonna really be able to see shit, but I could try to portray it to you. Ah! Shit. Sweet. Blah. Are you fucking serious? So tiny I gotta use a drill bit for the drill bit. Weird how that works. So let's say. So it's not big enough. How the fuck? PlayStation, you are a bunch of assholes. You really are that scared? Are we fucking serious? My whole video idea is ruined. Because I can't... Are we fucking serious? God damn it. So that's some bullshit. I got the pieces. I got the pieces, but they're not small enough. I got small pieces, but I don't have the smallest size that I need for the safety screws. Fuck. Fuck, that's all I could say. Anyway, maybe I could find a workaround. Maybe. I could try to get this doohickey to do its job. Girl, I'm all for you. God damn it! In my mind. Shit. Situation is serious. Cause we're running out of time. See, this part is not. It doesn't fit. It's too big. It needs like microscopic. Like, fuck, dude. This nice new kit, and I can't even take this apart. Disappointment. That's all I could think of myself. Disappointment. Fuck, PlayStation. Why you gotta be such cucks? And then I gotta remove all these little black dots. Well, fuck. Idea ruined. That was awful. That girl is poison. Here, let me play one of the songs from Zelda, I guess. Damn, this thing is so fucking old it can't even work. Disappointment. I feel bad for this thing. What the fuck? What do I have on this thing that's making it sound like that? There we go. Fuck! I'm so cool. I'm so cool. I learned. I could play Peener. I could play Peener. Fucking. Kill me. Okay. Well, this nice trinket I can't use now. But, if PlayStation wasn't such an asshole, maybe I would have been able to open it easier. But, again, Sony. They can be dicks. My god, I just wasted everybody's time. Shit. Well, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Just it. Like, fuck, dude. I would love to just open it, show you what an inside of a PlayStation looks like, but I guess not even I can give you that. It's old bastard. I got it off of my aunt and uncle. They had one. They said it wouldn't work, but it's because the power charger was a little funky wonky. It was a little fucked. Yeah, no, every piece of this PlayStation looks fine. Just a little dusty. Well, I'll find out. Maybe I can find something else. Everyone has to see what I looked like as a child? No, you don't. Putting this back. Well, fuck, now it's just awkward silence. Alright. Yeah, let me give y'all a nice send-off. You feeding your grandmother Play-Doh again? What did I tell you about the... Okay, kill me. Kill me now. Kill me. Alright. Later. Shit.